Anisha, Anisha, Moss, Moss. Miss Moss, you have one count that you actually came before me on June the 1st, 2023. You pled guilty to a lesser charge. I gave you a fine of $225. You have not paid that, ma'am. So that's the only reason you're here today, correct?
Yes. Oh, yes.
All right. So what's going on, ma'am? I ask everybody if they need time, and I give you time if you need it. Um, I mean, the only reason you're here is you haven't paid, ma'am. All you have to do is pay your ticket, to pay your fine.
Yeah, I know. I just need a little bit more time. I was going through something.
How much time do you need, ma'am? I don't need to know why. How much time do you need?
Like 2 weeks.
All right, ma'am. I'll give you. No, clerk, I don't have our dates. I'm not. I'm gonna give her.
30 days from today would just be September the 5th.
Ma'am, I'll give you 30 days. That's September the 5th. Pay it by September the 5th.
Okay, thank you.
All right. All right. Good luck to you, ma'am. Make
Thank
sure
you.
you take
Thank
care of
you,
that
Your
so you don't
Honor.
have to keep coming back out here.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Have a good day.
You as well.
I think everybody else, Judge, we're just looking for a plea, and then there's just one review on McCaw.
Well, we don't have Miss Assistant Corp Counsel yet. We'll have her shortly, and then we can go over any pleas.
Okay, sounds good. Thanks, Judge.
Good morning.
Hey, morning. You made it in?
Good, yeah. I got it. Probation Officer Driscoll, thank you for coming out. Attorney Zaretic, did you need to speak to her first, or you want to just bring Miss Baker out and we'll go from there? Or Probation Officer Driscoll, did you need to speak to her first?
No, I had already submitted the motion in order for discharge
Okay.
back on July 24th.
Let me see, I didn't get it. Or I could have gotten it, I could have overlooked it, it's possible.
It did. It was
Okay.
stamped
Right,
with the judge's signature on that date and sent back to me.
Did it? Oh,
Yeah.
wow, okay, well, hey, it happens, I do apologize, well, did I think wrong signature? Did? It happens.
Bring her in.
Forgive me. Well, you're good to go then, Officer Driscoll. I appreciate you.
All right. Thank you. You have a good one.
Is it straight discharge with no conditions?
You just heard.
Well,
Hey, good morning, Attorney Miranda, good city managers.
So when,
Is it just Bob?
yes,
Did he go back to the breakout room?
I think he went to go get, the lady that's on probation and then he'll be back out.
I have a couple dismissals.
Yeah.
for him.
Oh, he's out.
Hey,
Hi,
Bob
Annette.
and Cindy, how are you?
Hi, good. How are you?
Good.
I'm not sure what happened.
Just,
She came out and went back in, so I'll try to get her back out.
Yeah, maybe because we kind of enforced that they stay in the breakout room, so maybe that's why.
She's coming out right now. She's out now.
Here it is. Okay.
Miss Brianka McCall.
Yes.
All right, now. This will be real fast. You have ticket number Z8086131. You were placed on probation back on, you know what? I'm not even gonna go through all that. I have a report from the probation department that indicates that you have complied with all terms and conditions. You have successfully completed your probation, so this matter is closed out now. You're free to go.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You as well.
Oh, will I receive papers in the
Thank you.
mail or something for the discharge?
Madam Clerk?
The probation officer might send you something, but if not, you can always, reach out to her and she should be able to send you a copy, mail you a copy.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
I know.
and Attorney Zaranek, I have a couple dismissals for you. You wanna start with those?
Oh, I'm ready for those.
Okay, perfect.
A lot of
First
prep
one,
work.
Alicia Mitchell. He has a valid license, one count, it'll be dismissed.
All right.
Next, Charles McNish. I have 2 counts for him. He paid a civil infraction, so I'll dismiss the misdemeanors. And last one I have
Okay.
is Traylon Martin. Martin paid the civil infraction of tinted windows, so I'll dismiss the misdemeanor.
Okay. We're on a roll.
Yes, we are.
All right, we could bring those individuals out and we can take care of those.
All right, I'll get them, Judge. Let's see what name.
And I have a couple of retained attorneys out here. As
Yeah,
well.
same email.
But I put the notations on the file for which one.
Yeah, checking borrow now, and then the other one.
They should be drifting in, Judge.
All right. So yeah, I'm looking for Martin McNish. Mr. Traylon Martin, unmute your microphone, turn your camera on, state your full name.
Traylon Martin.
All right, Mr. Martin, you have ticket number P1472170, the People versus Traylon, Traylen. Last name is Martin, Martin. Mr. Martin, you had 2 tickets. You had a civil infraction for improperly tinted windows. You paid that ticket, you have a misdemeanor for no insurance, but because you paid the civil infraction, the people are dismissing the other charge. You are all set, so you can leave. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir.
This most likely will be no deal, opinion, and I told Pompero SS piece. It's possible. I lose them sometimes, but I've not seen it. We don't have, Nancy here, yeah, the one with all those dog units.
Yes, I don't think she's, no, she is here. She's here, and so is Lisa.
Moesha, Moesha, it looks like, I apologize if I'm mispronouncing your name, Mitchell. Unmute your microphone, state your full name, please.
She didn't come back in, Judge. I'll have to go get her manually. I'll be right back.
Hold on one second. Let me try first and see if it happens. Sometimes I can, sometimes yes, sometimes no. I don't understand the mechanics. I don't know if sometimes they're just not paying attention when I send a message for them to come out and you went in. Okay, she came out, you went in. Oh, that's it.
I made a mistake and left the breakout room. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No, ma'am, you did not make a mistake. We were trying to get you to come out. All right.
Oh, okay.
All right, Miss Mitchell, state your full name, please.
Moesha Antoinette Mitchell.
Ms. Mitchell, you have ticket number SP 136-19841. The People versus Mo. How do you pronounce your first name, man?
Moesha.
Okay. All right. It had an I in it, so I didn't know if you pronounced it Moesha. So that's Moeshia. Mitchell, Mitchell. Ms. Mitchell, you had a ticket for driving with license suspended.
Yes.
You now have a valid license because you are current with the law and compliant. The people have indicated they would dismiss this matter. It is dismissed. You can sign off. Good luck to you. Stay safe.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
You also.
Bye.
Mr. Charles McNish. Charles McNish, unmute your microphone. State your full name, please. Turn your camera on. Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
State your full name, sir.
My name is Charles Henry.
All right, we're having bad connection, but it's
McNish.
okay. All right, thank you. Sir, you have ticket number P 1474669.
Charles Henry. Thanks.
All right, I got your name, sir. Okay. You have ticket number P 147.
Okay.
Mr. McNish, just listen. You have ticket number P 1474698. The People versus Charles, CHARLES McNish, McNish. Mr. McNish, you have
Yeah.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, I hear you.
All right, then just it's okay. Then just listen.
Yeah.
You don't have to respond.
Yes.
You don't have to. You don't have to respond. Just, as long as you can hear me, we're good. On this ticket, you had 2 counts. An expired plate that looks like it was never put in the system, so there's no charge on that, a civil infraction. And you had another civil infraction for no proof of insurance, which it appears that you paid. You also have ticket P 1474696. You had a misdemeanor for a driver's license never acquired and a civil infraction for expired plates. It looks like the the people have indicated because you paid the civil infractions, these other matters are dismissed. You're all set, sir. The rest of your tickets are dismissed. The other 2 tickets. Yep.
Thank you
All
very
right,
much.
you can sign off. You're all good. You can sign off. Good luck to
Have a
you.
nice day.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ben. Thank you. Have a nice one.
You know what? Sometimes, Mr. McNish, we were having communication problems, but he gave you the thumbs up that he heard, so we're all good. Seven.
Good morning, Attorney Alex Hill.
Good morning.
Hi, good morning. I'm Cindy Rogers, one of the city attorneys. How are you?
Not bad. Just hoping to get an offer that we probably got a plea at another date.
Okay, no problem. I have 3 counts. We can't find any driver's license number or record for your client, so it appears your client does not have a license, and that's what he's charged with. It'll be a failure to display, dismissal of the balances is 2.
Okay, he's got an international license. He's an immigrant, so I don't think he has a valid one. I can try to get proof of his other stuff, but that works fine. So, Your Honor, I don't know what's the best date to come in and do the plea with him. I'm scheduled before you this Friday already, but I don't know if we can squeeze him in.
We can, Madam Clerk says, who is the keeper of all and controller of all, she said that is a good date.
Okay, so we'll be back in a couple days to knock out the plea on Moreno Gill. I appreciate the offer and your time.
Okay, counsel, before you go, if he has insurance and registration or the international license, if he has documents, you can send them to me. I'll look at it. I might change the plea.
So I think he's got all 3. I will. Are you comfortable messaging me your email before I disconnect and I can shoot him over?
I'm not on Zoom, but I can just give it to you.
Or you can send it to the court, depending on what you want.
Oh, it's just have him send it to the court.
Yeah, you can. It's up to you.
Oh, yeah, or you can send, I can just give you my email. That might be easier. Or you can send it to the court
right.
if you already have.
I'm ready. I don't have it handy, so this will work.
All right, Rogers, ROGERSSY at DetroitMI.gov.
Rogers SY at DetroitMI.gov.
Yep, and this is one of my courtrooms, so I'll be here on Friday too. So we can talk on Friday.
Okay, see you then. Have a nice day, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Okay.
All right, Bob, I have a couple more offers for you.
Okay.
First is Del Rico Ingram.
All right, so he told me that he has, well, he did show me license and registration, and he said his license is good now. He paid a bunch of tickets at 36.
Unfortunately, his license is not good. I'm looking at his SOS that was printed out today and it says not valid.
Okay. He must have some other suspensions and other tickets.
Yeah, I can look, but
Unfortunately, you didn't take
it's
it
not
home.
valid today. So I
Okay,
can do. I have 2 city counts, or I'm sorry, 3 city counts. I can do a failure to display on 1, dismissal of the balance of just 2, and then that leaves 1 no ops for the state.
Okay, I'll have to get a hold of her. All right,
Does he have registration and insurance?
he does. He did show them to me.
Hold on, let me look at the record to see what happened.
When did I say that? I told you come back this Friday, right?
Yeah,
It might be reinstatement fees that are holding up, so I don't really see what the problem is. You said you paid a bunch of tickets here already?
Yeah, he said he just paid a bunch of them at 36.
Based on his docs, I'll dismiss the city counts.
Okay, so just one, does he just have one no ops with the state?
Yep, that's correct.
All right, I'll get a hold of Paula.
I almost want to say good luck.
Okay. Next, Gilberto Morales.
I'm not sure what his ticket is.
I just have an ROA, but it's a V ticket for secondhand auto failure to obtain a license. I won't be able to put an offer on this. This will be as charged.
What is that? Is he a car salesman?
That's what I'm reading, yes, but I just have the ROA. And he doesn't have a business license. That's what it looks like.
Oh, no business license?
Correct.
Okay. All right, I'll talk to him.
Next, Ashley Marcellus.
Okay. She told me she does have a license,
She does.
But-
I see
but
it.
she didn't, when she got the, one of these allowing a licensed driver to drive was her, and she didn't have a license then. And one was her boyfriend, who she didn't know he didn't have a valid license.
So they wrote her for an allowing, or allowing herself.
Yep,
Right.
that was one of them.
Okay. A lot of times I dismiss the allowings, but she has 2 is the problem. The best I can do on one of the allowings. The one ending in 71, which is a 2021 one. I can do a 3-month delayed sentence, no objection to dismissal based on payment, and I can dismiss the balance.
Okay,
Next, Branton Molden.
all right. So he told me he was driving somebody else's car apparently the car didn't have a registration or insurance, but he does not have a license.
Okay, yeah, I see that. It'll be the failure to display as charged, dismissal of the balance, which is 2.
Okay,
And then the last 2, I needed to talk to Madam Clerk on, so this is all I have ready for now.
okay, I'll get a hold of them and then I'll get a hold of Paula.
Okay, great.
Thank you.
Ready?
Attorney McCullough, strike that, Attorney Barrow.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I think we're ready to call your case. You have Brandon McCullers, is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. McCullers, turn your camera on, unmute your microphone. And were we gonna do, was this the case we were gonna put off for another date to come back, sir, or were we handling this today?
That was the matter concerning Philip Mott. This matter is
Okay.
up for trial today.
All right, and how are we gonna proceed? Are we proceeding with the trial?
To my knowledge, Your Honor, the officer has not checked in as of yet, so I'm not sure what time the officer cutoff time is, but if
It
it is
is
not,
1 hour, the defendants and officers have 1 hour from the time they are scheduled. Your case was scheduled for 9 a.m., so 9 minutes.
okay, and we'll recall the matter then, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you.
Mr. McCullers, you can mute your device. Just hold off a moment.
Yeah, I have a ledger.
Mr. McCullers, also turn off your camera. Thank you.
Officer Olison.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. What case are you here for?
Good morning, sir. I'm here for Sandra McGee. I'm sorry.
For McGee, you said?
Yes, sir. Started at 10.
McGee. Okay, I do see it. All right, thank you. So. Gilberto Morales. Gilberto Morales, unmute your microphone, state your full name, please. Do we have Mr. Morales out here or is he in the breakout room? Let's see. He's in the breakout room. Let's see if I can get him out. Hold on, Mr. Morales. I'm just waiting for the attorney to come back out of the breakout room.
Okay,
Keep your microphone muted for now.
okay.
Oh, that's a deal because so he want me
Mr.
to.
Malden, mute your microphone. Thank you. Attorney Zaranick?
Judge, we are ready on Malden and Marcellus.
As well as Morales.
Yeah, I don't know what happened to him, Judge. Did he come back to the courtroom?
No, he was in the breakout room. He's out here now. Let's see.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mr.
Oh, okay. I didn't talk to him again, but because he disappeared out of the breakout.
Okay, well, let's see what we're gonna call the case. Mr. Morales.
Yes.
All right. State your full name, please.
Gilberto Aguirre Morales.
Also, raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the complete truth?
Yes.
You may lower your hand, Mr. Morales. Mr. Morales, you have one ticket. It is V50190122. The People versus Gilberto, Gilberto Morales, Moralez. Mr. Morales, you're charged with failure to have a business license. You had for a secondhand auto store or auto lot. The people have indicated that they would not. There's no reduced plea on this, sir. So did you have an opportunity to talk with the attorney about this?
No.
Okay, all right, just hold on. We'll let you get a chance to talk to your attorney. I don't think he knew what the offer was going to be, so just hold on. We'll get back to you.
Okay.
You can mute your microphone. Attorney Zaranick, what cases did you say you did have that ready?
Marcellus and Malden.
Okay, I have Malden in front of me right now. Let's see. Mr. Branton Malden, unmute your microphone. Raise your
Yes.
right hand and state your full name. Turn your camera on, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, when I call your name, you must turn your camera on. Raise your right hand, state your full name.
Branton Martin.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the complete truth?
Yes.
You may lower your hand, Mr. Malden. Mr. Malden, you have ticket number SP 128-79593, the People versus Branton, Branton Malden, Mauldin. Mr. Malden, on this ticket number, you have one charge of misdemeanor for fail to display a valid operator's license. You also have SP 128-79591, driving unregistered or untitled vehicle. And lastly, you have SP 128-79592, no insurance. That's a misdemeanor as well. The people have indicated that if you pled to the one failed to display a valid operator's license, that's already the lowest license charge there is. So it looks like the officer already wrote you a break on that. People said if you pled to that one count, the other two matters would be dismissed. Do you want to take advantage of this, or do you want to go to trial on all of these matters, sir?
Yes.
That was an and or, sir. Or you said yes.
You
Do
wanted
you
to
want to
take
go to
the offer.
trial, or do you want to take advantage of the offer?
Yes, I want to take the offer.
All right. All right, Mr. Malden, you understand that you do have a constitutional right, an absolute right to have a trial. If you went to trial, the people would have to present evidence. Evidence can be something physical. It can also be testimonial. That means an officer or someone testifying as to what happened on a particular date and time. You'd have the opportunity to cross-examine any evidence. If there's any physical evidence, you'd have the opportunity to have that examined as well. You can the evidence as presented must rise to a level of proof beyond a reasonable doubt before a judge or a jury could find you guilty of that. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
On the date of December the 6th, 2021, were you operating a motor vehicle in the area of Joy Road and Dexter Avenue in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you stopped by the police?
Yes.
Did you have a valid license at that time?
Yes.
You had a valid license?
Yeah.
So, Mr. Malden, you told me at that time you did not have a valid license.
Oh, my license. Yeah, my license should have been valid at that time.
Well, sir, the officer. Well, did you have a license on you? Let me say it that way.
No, I didn't.
All right. The court will find you responsible or guilty of failing to display a valid license. All right. So the other two matters are dismissed. Your fine will be $225. Can you pay that right away, or do you need time?
I need time.
How much time do you need?
I need at least 30 days.
I'll give you 60 days. 60 days will be October the 2nd. It has to be paid on or before October the 2nd. You do not have to pay it at one time. You can break it up into any increment that you want, $5, $10, as long as October the 2nd, the entire $225 is paid. The other two matters are dismissed. Those would have been $225 each. So, all right.
Okay.
October the 2nd. Do you know where and how to pay, sir?
Yeah, the 36, yeah.
Well, that's one way to pay, but you can do it online, 36districtcourt.org on the court website. You can pay it online, or you can pay it at one of the kiosks that's located in and around the city. They're called DivDat, D-I-V-D-A-T. Kind of looks like an ATM machine, but where people pay their public utilities and things of that nature. So they're all over the city. You probably have seen them. They're in the Meyer stores. All right. So, or you can come down to the courthouse during normal court hours and go to a cashier's window and pay that way as well. All right. All right. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
Your Honor, can we call the matter? Sorry.
Just 1 second, sir. I'm just writing up
Absolutely.
the what happened on the last case, so I'll be right with you. All right, counsel. Counsel,
Yes, Your Honor.
what were you asking for?
If we can call the matter of Mr. McCullers at your discretion, Your Honor.
No, that I call whatever is ready. So, and
Yes,
that
sir.
is, let's see if I have that in front of me. Hold on 1 second. Okay. I do have it in front of me now. Okay, Mr. McCullers. All right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. McCullers, raise your right hand, state your full name.
Brandon Keith McCullers.
Do you swear or keep your hand up? Do you swear or affirm to tell the complete truth?
Yes.
You may lower your hand. All right, Mr. McCullers, you have, let's see, how many cases do we have? We have 3 on the docket. Is that correct, counsel?
That is my understanding, correct, Your Honor.
All right, we have ticket number C5193721, the People versus Brandon, Brandon, McCullers, McCullers. Mr. McCullers, on this ticket, you're charged with a misdemeanor for driving while license not valid. You also have, let's see. Yeah, I got more tickets in hand than I have on docket. Let's see.
That is correct, Your Honor. There are matters.
One extra ticket.
Oh, one extra ticket. Okay. All right, Mr. McCullers, you also have SP 1487201, driver license not valid. That's a misdemeanor. 104685149, driver license not valid, again a misdemeanor, and SP 2342951, driver license not valid. Mr. McCullers, or counsel, your appearance, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Ali Barrel, P85907, appearing on behalf of Mr. McCullers. Mr. McCullers, please state your name for the record loud and clear.
Brandon Keith McCullers.
All right, counsel, let's see, what do we have here? We have an offer. All right. We have an offer from the city indicating that 3 of the counts were a city charge and 1 is a state charge. I believe the offer is if in fact you pled to 1 count or fail to display, the other matters would be dismissed.
Your Honor, today is
Yes.
the day scheduled for trial. At this time, we respectfully reject the prosecution's offer and move forward with the motion for dismissal for the complaining officer's failure to appear.
Okay, let me see here. Let me just double check to make sure that these officers have failed to appear. Let's see. We have on 3 of the tickets, we have officer. All right, this is, I don't have the officer's name on here because all I have is a register of action. So let's see. Let me see who I have, what officers I have out here.
Es del año pasado. El ticket fue en septiembre del año pasado. 6 de septiembre del año pasado. Lo tiene que ser en otra. Mientras no tenga fotos, ni el ticket de... Santo, le voy a dar todos los videos que tengo de los... A Rosario, para que tenga lo que hacer, para que no haga eso de la cuenta.
All right, council, I have, one second, so.
Yes, sir.
All right, Attorney Bureau, I was trying to see the officer's name on here. I do not have an officer's name on 3 of the ticket, but that's of not a major issue because I know what officers I have that are here, and I know the officers that are here are not on this case. Ergo, the officers for this case are not present. So, and on one other case, on ticket number C5193721, I do have an officer's name of Officer Keith, Keith Rachwal, Rachwal. That officer has not appeared on one of your clients' tickets. Wait a minute, hold on. I gotta check one other thing here. And this is not McCullough. Actually, this one ticket, your client, it was not scheduled for trial today, so I can't dismiss this case because this one is not scheduled for today, so the officer has not been subpoenaed. He was only scheduled for 3 matters today, and that is SP 1487201, SP 2342951, and 104681491. These are the only matters that were scheduled for trial today. Case C5193721, driver license not valid. That case, for whatever reason, was not scheduled for today's date and was not scheduled for trial. Therefore, no subpoena was sent out, and I cannot dismiss that one for this reason because this is not a case. Wait a minute. 4041. Mr. McCullers had a trial date scheduled for the other matter back on April the 13th of 2023, and he did not appear for that. So for whatever reason, this matter was never scheduled for trial again.
That is fine, Your Honor. We'll ask the court if possible to schedule that matter for a trial on an earlier date. It looks like it's scheduled for a show cause on December the 11th of this year.
Okay, well, if it's scheduled for a show, you are absolutely correct. We will do the show calls today because your client is here, and your client is here, so we'll set aside any, we'll just give him a new date. If he wants a trial date, if he wants a bench trial date, we could do that on September the 28th. If he wants a jury trial, we could do that on January the 17th.
No, September 28th bench trial was perfectly fine, Your Honor, at 9
Okay,
a.m.
we'll see. At 9 a.m., yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The other 3 matters are dismissed.
Great. Thank you very much, Your Honor, to you and your staff as always.
All right, have a great day, sir. You and your client are free to go.
Thank you. And Mr. McCullers, we're going to return here September 28th at 9 a.m. Okay, sir?
Gotcha.
Okay. Have a great day, Your Honor. Goodbye, everyone.
Thank you, you as well.
Attorney Serrano,
Yes.
I have two more offers for you
All right.
on Toronto Murphy.
Oh. I didn't even see them. Are they here?
Oh, I believe so. Madam Clerk gave me the file.
Oh, okay. Yep, they put them in 3. Okay.
So his entire offer is going to be contingent on entering a specialty court based on his criminal or his driving record with a 2012 OWI and a 2013 open index. So the offer is going to be 1 amendment to display, 1 amendment to improper plates, the refusal of CBT as charged, and dismissal of the balance, which is 5.
Okay, and they have to go into which court?
One of the specialty courts, drug court might be appropriate, but they'll determine it. Really the basic eligibility is he can't have any violent convictions, so he'll plead in front of Judge Wagner and then be transferred to Judge Holmes.
Okay.
And if he's interested in doing that, I'll ask Madam Clerk to call for probation, so someone from specialty court can speak to him.
Okay.
And then the last one I have ready is Clarence Marzet. It is OWI.
Yep.
I have to say to Madam Clerk, because in the report it references SP ticket that they issued him that I don't have, but sometimes those don't always get issued. But based on the facts, he had a gun on this person, it will be as charged.
No impaired?
No, I can't do it based on how intoxicated it seems he was and having a firearm on him.
Okay, I didn't know if he had, I don't think he had any priors.
He doesn't.
All right, good.
Okay. And then what about Manson?
I'll need that one, might have another two. I'll need to get on Zoom and talk to you privately on that one. The investigators here, I have a lot of discovery on it, that I'll need to give you.
Okay, and we have, okay, I'm still waiting for Paul on that other Ingram. Okay. I called her and left her an email, but nothing.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah, I emailed her too, I think.
All right, Judge, do you want to do Morales and Marcellus?
Okay, I got Marcellus in hand. Let's call Marcellus right now.
Okay.
Ashley Marcellus, you're a phone. Okay, you're already unmuted. Unmute your mic. Well, you're not muted. Raise your right hand. State your full name. Ashley Marcellus.
Yes, my name is Ashley Doreen Marcellus.
All right. Raise your right hand, Ms. Marcellus. I can't see if it's raised because you don't have a camera. So, all right. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth?
Yes, sir.
You may lower your hand. Ms. Marcellus, you have ticket number SP 121-72271. The People versus Ashley, ASHLEY Marcellus, MARCELLUS. On this ticket, you're charged with allowing an unlicensed driver to operate a motor vehicle. You also have 204930581, drive while license not valid. And your third ticket is SP 114245511, allowing an unlicensed driver to operate a motor vehicle. The People have indicated if you were to plead to SP 121-72271, allowing an unlicensed driver to operate a motor vehicle, they would dismiss the other two. They would also offer you a 3-month delayed sentence. That means in 3 months, if you have paid your ticket and not picked up any other charges, this matter would be dismissed and would not be on your record. Additionally, they've sweetened it a little bit better. Generally, they'll say 3 months and you have to wait 3 months, but they said if you paid it early, this matter would be dismissed early. So in other words, if you paid this ticket tomorrow, this matter would be all these matters would be dismissed tomorrow. You
Okay.
understand that?
Yes, sir, I do understand.
Do you know how you want to proceed on this matter? Do you want to proceed with this offer, or do you want to set these for trial?
I do not want to go to trial. I will have the ticket paid off within the 90 days.
Okay, all right then. All right, Miss Marcellus, you understand that you do have a right to go to trial, but if you plead guilty today, you give up that right. You understand that?
Yes, sir, I do understand.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
On ticket number SP 1217221 on the date of June the 21st of 2021, were you, did you have a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir, I did.
Did you allow someone else to drive that motor vehicle?
Yes, sir, I did.
Did you know that person did not have a valid license?
Yes, sir, I did.
The court will find you guilty of the as charged, allowing an unlicensed driver to operate a motor vehicle. The court will give you a 3-month delayed sentence. Your review date will be November the 2nd, 2023. On that date, if this fine is paid and you have picked up no other tickets, this matter would be dismissed. It will not be on your record. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes, sir, I do understand.
Okay. All right. On the date that I've indicated to you, November the 2nd, 2023, that's the review date. You do not have to come back. If you have paid the ticket and you have not done any and picked up no other tickets, you do not have to come back. If in fact you picked up other cases or you have not paid the money, you will have to come back on that date. Now, when I say you don't have to come back, that does not mean you can't come back. It means if you want to come back and hear me say this matter is dismissed, you can do so, but you're not required to be here. All right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Then you're all set, ma'am, if you know where to pay the money.
Can I get the amount that I need to pay, sir?
$225, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right. All right. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Judge, we're ready on Gilberto Morales. He just wants a bench trial date.
Well, we will do that. Let me just finish my write-up on this one I just finished. Sydney. Okay. I'm not that smart. Huh? I
Yes, sir.
don't know everything. Ingram, mute your microphone. Counsel, what case are we ready to call now?
We're ready on Morales, Judge Gilberto Morales. Bench trial date, please.
Well, hold on a second. We have Mr. Ingram. Let's do that one first. This will be quick. Mr. Ingram?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Turn your camera on. Raise your right hand. Well, actually, you don't have to raise your right hand. State your full name, sir.
Delrico Andre Ingram.
All right, Mr. Ingram, you have ticket number P11677704, the People versus Del Rico, Delrico. Last name is Ingram, Ingram. Ms. Ingram, you have 2 counts under this ticket number. They are both misdemeanors. One is driving unregistered vehicle and the other one is driving without a license. You also have X3872883. You have, okay, there was a violation of the speed law, but I see that's not a ticket. They just wrote you a warning for that, so we won't even have to address that. You do have 2 misdemeanors, no operator's license and no insurance. The people have indicated that apparently you had some other civil infraction. It says these matters. 1, 2, 3. Hold on, you don't have all the tickets on here. Okay, hold on, sir. Actually, you have more tickets out here than let's see what's on the docket. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there.
There
Nope,
should be
there's 4.
a state one judge that they're willing to dismiss.
Well, I don't know what that is because I see 2 state tickets. One is a violation. Nope, that is a warning. So I see 1 state ticket for no operator's license on person. So you said the state was going to do something with that?
I did contact the state prosecutor judge. She emailed me back that she has no objection to dismissing that.
Okay, all right, sir. So that means you have 3 other tickets, and the people have indicated that they were going to dismiss these tickets because of valid documentation. All right. So apparently you do have a valid driver's license. Wait a minute. That it said valid documentation, but it doesn't. Let's see. You don't have a driver's license.
It was suspended. It is unsuspended.
I'm looking at no, sir. I'm looking at the Secretary of State report from today's date. We run the Secretary of State, and whenever we call these tickets. So I have the latest in front of me. August the 2nd,
I never had a
2023.
license, but I don't have it. It
Sir.
was unsuspended.
Mr. Ingram, just let the judge finish, okay?
Yeah.
Judge, I think Mr. Ingram did have a valid insurance and registration now. I believe he probably just has reinstatement fees with the Secretary of State, but he did pay the suspended tickets.
Okay.
So based on that, Sydney was willing to dismiss.
So that's what she wrote, valid documentation for the insurance, but not for, okay, let's see. I'm not sure what she's done, but she did say she was dismissing these matters and she did have a copy of the license. So, all right. Apparently there was some other tickets, some civil infractions that were paid. So, all right. Mr. Ingram, want you to know that these matters are being dismissed today because prosecution has indicated that you paid some civil infractions and you had some valid documentation that had to be for something other than the driver's license, because I'm looking at your driver's license record today. But in any event, I don't know what they were thinking, what she was thinking, but she has agreed to dismiss these matters. So these matters are dismissed. But I just want you to know, sir, if you think you have a valid license, you don't. So you need to contact the Secretary of State and see what is going on and what you need to do to get that taken care of.
Yes, sir.
All right. These matters are dismissed. You can sign off. What else did you have, counsel?
We have a Morales judge for a bench trial.
Who?
Gilberto Morales.
Okay. Mr. Gilberto Morales, unmute your microphone. Raise your right hand, state your full name.
Gilberto Aguirre Morales.
All right, you have to change the angle of your camera, sir. All I'm looking at is your elbows. All right, that's much better. All right, I've got you. State your full name.
Gilberto Aguirre Morales.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the complete truth?
Yes.
You may lower your hand. Hold on one second. Just 1 second. I got somebody out here. I need to find out who this person is and coming into the room. All right, the person out here I just led into the courtroom. It says Victor's iPhone.
Yes.
Counsel, how are you?
Good. My name is Victor Bowman, Bowman. My
Yes,
P
sir.
number is 33764.
All right, counsel. Hold on 1 second, counsel. I appreciate you. We were left in the breakout room for a while because you don't have your name out there. You just says Victor's. We need you to put your name and P number out there so we'll know the brief.
I did that. I did that.
No, it just says Victor's iPhone on the screen.
Okay, hold on for a minute. Let me see if
Well, I know who you are now, but
okay.
Attorney Bowman. Who do you have, sir?
I am here on Sandra McGee.
Miss McGee never appeared, sir.
She should be on Zoom.
Nope, she's not.
Let me find out where she's at, if that's okay.
Oh, that's quite all right, sir.
Okay, because I spoke with her yesterday.
Yep, but she didn't show up. She didn't show up in this courtroom.
Okay, let me see if I can chase her down. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, counsel.
Bye-bye.
Thanks. Attorney Cole, what do you have?
Your clerk, Miss Bonnie, just sent me. It's a BAC under the influence or under the influence. Oh,
I
gosh.
don't know. She stepped out of the courtroom, so I don't know what she was talking to you on. Is it Brianka?
It's Marzette Raymond. Marzette.
Okay. No. Did you?
It's Marzette.
It's Marzette?
Yes.
I got the file in here. We'll get right back to you, Ms. Cole.
Okay, that's fine.
Attorney Zoranic, we're gonna do the Morales now. All right, so Mr. Morales. No, which case were we doing, counsel? Attorney, where'd you go?
Hello, I'm here.
Oh, hold on, sir. I'm looking for what happened to the attorney. Attorney Zoranic, where'd you go?
Looks like he fell off.
Yeah. Hold on, Mr. Morales. We lost the attorney for a second.
Did we find out? Counsel for McGee, are we holding the formal hearing? What are we doing with it?
I'm here as well. Is the for McGee is
Yes.
the officer here on that?
He is.
Okay. All right. Is the prosecutor? Could we speak with the prosecutor?
I will ask her to come back in the room. She stepped away. And is your client here? Because we're holding the actual formal hearing, then she would need to be here.
Yeah, she'll be here.
Okay, not a problem. I will contact the city attorney and ask her to come in for me.
Is Miss Rogers?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
¿Qué es eso de levantar la mano y se pone a hablar con otro?
Mr. Morales, you can mute your microphone until the attorney comes back. Thank you. He was here, we were talking, and he was gone. Attorney Cole,
Yes.
APA Cole.
Yes,
What
sir.
are you here for?
That Marzette, I
Oh,
think it
okay.
might, it's, as I believe there's
Z
a
case
Z.
is not yours, it's the SP case. One I sent you.
Yes, it also had, you said it has a Z case with it?
He does. He has an OWI, so that's in conjunction with the SP ticket.
Because on those tickets, I'd need to know what the BAC is, because there's different two are civil infractions and one's a misdemeanor.
Is the Z ticket hers? It's not hers. Is it?
No, not
No.
the Z ticket.
The Z ticket is not yours,
No,
counsel.
no, no, the SP ticket, but she
The
needs to know.
concealed weapon though,
Oh, okay, I got you.
got 2 tickets.
All right, hold on. Let me look at the report. The alcohol content was on the 2 preliminary breath tests. One was 0.13 and one was 0.15.
Okay, let's see, I'm pretty sure that's a misdemeanor then.
It is.
Yes, if it's over 0.10, the CPL is revoked.
Counsel, I'm not sure if you're talking to me. I was in the middle of doing something. So.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
So.
I probably should talk to House I think we'll have to set that one for a formal hearing. There's only one offer I can do on it.
Well, Mr. Zoranik is. Did we ever get him back? He's in breakout room 3, so he's back. He's in a breakout room.
Let me break him out real quick. Oh, I'm sorry, Attorney Zeranick, I brought you out because APA Cole wanted to speak to you concerning Clarence Marzette ticket. She said it probably would be best if we set it for a formal hearing, but I guess if we're gonna set that one for a formal hearing, then we will probably set the Z ticket for a trial. You're muted. Because as right now,
I think we were gonna, yeah, I think we were just gonna set, I can bring him out. We were probably just gonna set it for a bench trial so we could just put them all together.
Okay, because I'm about to say, I think, yeah, Sydney's as charged, so she's not offering any kind of reduction anyway.
Right. Okay, I'll go get him.
Okay. And counsels for McGee, I'm still waiting for the city attorney to come over. She said she'll be back over momentarily.
Thank you.
No problem.
Crystal, there's a couple of people in the.
Attorney Zeranick, are we ready on Marzette?
Ready.
Okay.
Bench trial, please.
Or
Yeah,
no, I was going to say I only have the one. I only have the Z ticket.
don't have the SP ticket.
Mm-mm.
Should have been folded up already.
I got to vote it the Z ticket. I know she was talking about it, but I didn't have it when you were talking. I didn't know about it.
Is that it right there underneath the ROA?
No, this is that's something else. That's Morales. This is Morales. So I had Morales. I had this file. This is all I had in it. Just a Z ticket. There's nothing there, and this is Macaw, Bianca. I don't have anything else unless it's part of this. No, this. The other one. Number 5? No.
I mean, the SOS from the file page.
Oh. No.
My bad.
I just wanted to make sure I. All right, Mr. Clarence Marzette. Clarence Marzette, unmute your microphone, raise your right hand. State your full name.
Clarence R. Marzette.
All right, Mr. Marzette, you don't have to stand. You're okay. You can sit back down. Do you swear or affirm to tell the complete truth?
I do.
All right, you may lower your hand. Mr. Marzette, you have two charges today. You have SP 146-31001, the People versus Clarence, strike that, CLARENCE, Marzette, MARZETTE. Mr. Marzette, you're charged in this case with carrying a concealed weapon while under the influence of alcohol. You also have the alcohol ticket. That is ticket Z808981. You're charged with operating while intoxicated. It indicates that you took a breathalyzer and you blew 0.13 and 0.15, I believe it was. Let's see, I can double check that. Yes, 0.13 and 0.15. I mean, 1.3 and 1.5. I'm getting this all screwed up, sir. I said it right first time. 0.13, 0.15. All right, those qualify for being intoxicated in the state of Michigan. So, appearances, please.
Paula Cole on behalf of
Zaranick.
in regards to the
I'm sorry, Paula.
SP 146-3101.
Bob Zaranick for Mr. Marzette, Your Honor.
Very well. Attorney Cole, and do we have attorney? Unfortunately, these charges are divided. There is one charge that is a city charge that the Assistant Corporation Counsel, Sidney Rogers, is the prosecutor on, and there's a state charge that Assistant Prosecuting Attorney Paula Cole is on. Attorney Paula Cole, you're on the carrying the concealed weapon. The city attorney is on the case for operating while intoxicated. I actually need both of you out here at this time. And I do not have the city attorney. Well, Attorney Cole, what are you offering, if anything? So let's just kind of bifurcate it for a second.
Well, Your Honor, just under the state statute, if you have 0.10 or more, it's a misdemeanor and your CPL is revoked. What I would offer today is an amendment to 0.08, which is still a misdemeanor, and your CPL is suspended for 3 years. That's the only thing I can offer at this time.
A rejection of the charge for the city count for the concealed weapon charge of actually it's obviously a legal fiction, but you would amend and reduce the charge down to carrying a concealed weapon with a person who's under the influence with a 0.08 blood alcohol level. Is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Okay.
But he he should know that his license, his CPL would be revoked for 3 years if he accepts that plea.
All right, that's discussion that Attorney Zaranick had with Mr. Marzette. And as we speak, the Assistant Corporation Counsel is walking in for the other charge of operating while intoxicated, which is 0.13, 0.18, 0.18.
It's my understanding on that charge, Judge, there's no reduced plea. So we were gonna set these both for a bench trial.
Okay. Mr. Marzette?
Yes, Judge.
You had an opportunity to discuss the type of trials that you could have with your attorney, is that correct?
Correct.
And he's indicated that you are interested in having a bench trial. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
Just for the record, did you have a discussion about a jury trial at all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And it is your wish, your desire to proceed with this matter with a bench trial?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Well, we can, 1 second.
Judge, I don't know if it
Mr.
makes a difference, but I would ask that he be appointed
No,
individual attorney.
Yeah, we were going to go into that right now. Mr. Marzette, now, we have an attorney out here for you today who is giving you legal advice. Are you planning on hiring your own attorney before you decide to have before you go to trial on this matter?
I'm not sure, Judge. I'm kind of limited in funds.
All right, well, you said the magic words there, because there is a service provided by the state where they will appoint you an attorney, and that attorney will be yours for this case or for these two cases. So they will not, and it will not be someone who will just show up on the day of trial and talk to you and you get the opportunity to have a trial. They will talk to you in advance, and what we need to do, sir, is we need to get some specific information from you, like your telephone number and your email address, so they can contact you and they can appoint you an attorney, and you can work with them prior to the trial to develop your strategy of how you will proceed. So, do you know how to use the chat function on your device, sir?
On the Zoom,
It probably be easier just so
That's what I'm gonna do. What we're gonna do, sir, is we're gonna have the attorney come back into the breakout room, and you can give him your information in private, your email address, your telephone number, your regular address, so they can send you some mail or contact you by email or by telephone, so they can arrange to have an attorney meet with you, and you can proceed with these matters then. All right? So,
all right, thank you, Your Honor.
we're gonna put you back in the breakout room. Right now, there's been some discussion about a bench trial. Once you get your attorney, if that attorney wants to contact us and have some different type of trial, then certainly you can do that. So we're gonna give you a date. No, not gonna give you a date. I'm going to no, actually, I am, sir. I'm going to give you right now, you're saying a bench trial. Once you talk and you have your own attorney, if he wants to change that, we can do that. But right now, I'm gonna set you up for a trial, sir, on September the 28th, 2023.
September 28th, 23.
Yes, at 9 a.m.
9 a.m. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, but don't sign off. Mr. Zorani, could you go back in and get the information that we need to have an attorney appointed for him?
I will. Mr. Marzette, I'll put you back in the breakout room and I'll be there in a minute.
Okay.
We need to do Mr. Morales. He wants a trial.
Okay. Gilberto Morales.
Yes.
All right. Let's see. We started calling your case and we had to stop on this. So this is ticket number V50190122. The People versus Gilberto, Gilberto Morales, Moralez. Mr. Morales, we called your case earlier. I don't remember what happened, but you're charged with owning a secondhand auto sales lot without having a license from the city.
Bob Zoranic
Counsel?
for Mr. Morales, Your Honor. Please state your name, sir.
Gilberto Aguirre Morales.
All right.
Judge,
how are we
could
gonna
we
proceed today,
set this
counsel?
matter? Could we set this matter for a bench trial, Your Honor?
Yes, we can. Mr. Morales, you do understand that you have a right to have a jury trial or a bench trial. It's actually up to you. You can decide either one. The Do you understand the difference, sir, between a jury trial and a bench trial or a judge trial?
Yes.
And it's your decision to have a trial by judge?
Yes.
Very well, sir. I can give you a date of September the 28th, 9/28 at, you'll show up at 9 a.m., sir. And if you have any witnesses, you tell them to come out here and they can be out here for to be a witness on your case. It will be on Zoom, sir. You understand, Mr. Morales?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any other questions?
No.
And we'll see you back on September 28th at 9 a.m.
Okay.
Right back, Judge.
And counsel for McGee, the city attorney, she should be logging on to Zoom soon.
Thank you.
No problem.
Because there's one other thing I don't have over here. Jim, there's one other file I don't see over here. I don't see a Ciandra McGee. Ciandra McGee.
You just have- Oh, no, I got him over here. Because she said she's gonna talk to him. So I didn't put him up.
Okay, because it wasn't ready to be. What else do you have?
Just the three last files, Manson, McGee, and Murphy.
Okay.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes, sir, Mr. Marzette.
Am I done with court for today? I just got through talking with Mr. Zaranick.
Oh, now we'll let him come out first and he'll say what he has to say. Just shortly. Let him come back first.
All right, thank you. Excuse me, Judge.
Yes, sir.
I had I was looking at my calendar. I'm supposed to see you again on the 29th. Is that date still good? Do you know?
What do you got?
That was for the SP ticket, so they're both gonna be set for the same.
No, that's not good because we merged them today, sir. That other ticket that you had, we have them both today, so.
Okay, thank you.
Well, Mr. Marzette, you're all set. You can sign off.
Okay, thank you, Counselor.
Thank you.
Mhm.
Judge, we are ready on Murphy when the court's ready.
Sir, I am ready when you're ready. You said Murphy?
Did we decide
Yes,
to do
Toriano Murphy's ready for a plea.
oh. Did we need somebody from probation for that or the drug court?
Yeah, he's gonna go into drug court.
Okay.
Right.
Well, before we can take the plea on that, yeah, I needed to know that because they have to talk to him and go run his name through lean and make sure he qualifies for drug court. So
Okay.
so yeah, we gotta hold up 1 second on that one. And then I think that's it. Let me get that one back. I need to contact Wagner.
So what's the other one?
The only person we have left, they're both either a formal hearing or a trial. So they're both set for things that I'm sure we're proceeding for both of them. So.
Is all right, Ms. Rogers, you're back. We have a couple of cases to be called that are left. We have Banson and we have McGee. Both are either a bench trial or a formal hearing. So which one are we going to proceed on first?
The people are ready on either one. There's investigators on both of them. If I could talk to Mr. Zaranek briefly, I think we can go from there.
Very well. I believe he's back in the break. Nope, he's not back in the room. He is here.
Where do you want me to
You
go,
guys can.
Sydney?
Room 2 is open,
Two?
and I made you a co-host, Sydney.
Thank you. And I'll go to 2.
I'm good. I got someone who will try to see if the person might be eligible for. It is SP 1337847. Count 1. And then they got like several other tickets as well. Yes. Yes. Okay, thank you. They are doing good, keeping me busy. Thank you. All right, thanks. Let's see.
Ms. Rogers, you're back.
Yes, I am. I know I need to talk to Attorney Bowman.
Yes. All right. Attorney Bowman? Counsel? Can you hear me?
Is this better? Hello?
Oh, yeah, that's great. That's great. Now, Ms. Rogers needs to talk to you. She has co-host ability, so she can take you into a breakout room so she can have a discussion.
Actually, I and Mr. Maddock are on the same case. We both represent Ms. McGee.
Okay. Who's lead counsel?
Mr. Maddock is.
Okay. Ms. Rogers, you want to take them both into the
Yep, will
breakout
do.
room? Okay. Attorney Mamet? Let's see if he went to another courtroom. So
I just put him in the breakout room, so hopefully he's there.
yeah, okay. Madam Court Reporter?
Yes, Judge.
That was okay. Are you excited about tomorrow?
Of course, I can't wait. You know, I'm gonna bring up, oh yeah, I'm gonna look at the menu again. In case.
I wasn't planning on saying much.
Sorry about that. That's it. Okay. I'm good.
Is it storming outside? You see the screen for like it's too much. First I thought it was lightning or something from a window, but
Good morning. Here's case manager here.
Good morning.
Did you need to? Good morning. Did you need to speak to Mr. Murphy in a breakout room?
Yes, please.
I'll put you guys in a breakout room.
Madam Clerk,
Yes.
Mr. Bowen's case will be an adjournment, for, I think, discovery. And then Miss Manson, that will also be an adjournment. They're asking for a court-appointed attorney on that.
Okay. Okay, so Ryan's in there giving me information. Okay, are we just adjourning it to our next trial date?
For McGee,
For both?
we might want to do a pre-trial on Manson since she's getting a court appointed and there's a lot of discovery on both sides. McGee is fine with me for the next trial date.
McGee is gonna be the 28th. Is that a good day, counsel?
You're muted.
What, the 28th of September?
September, yes.
That's fine.
Okay.
And counsel, could we do this as a hearing and not a formal hearing? As the officer's been here, I think 3 times on this, and I believe she's taking a driving course on this.
In the spirit of cooperation on both sides, that's fine.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
But if our client does not like the proposed deal, then I will notify you as quickly as possible.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Okay. Again, Ms. Rogers, thank you. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you. You too.
9:28 at what time?
9 o'clock.
9 a.m. All right. Thank
Attorney
you.
Bowman.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Ms. McGee,
One
your
second.
case has been adjourned to September the 28th at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
Attorney Bowman, did you go to University of Michigan?
Undergrad.
Undergrad, yeah. Okay,
74 to 78.
All right. Same with me. So I knew you
Really?
looked familiar.
Where'd you stay?
Bursley.